mornings have their own mood. Soft breeze, quiet lanes, old homes, waking up with the day.
Every corner here tells a story. Some old, some new, and some waiting for us to discover. Bandra may seem fast-paced, but at heart beats slow and warm.
And today we are exploring the Bandra that lives close to Eddies. The hidden charm, the flavors, the fashion that makes this area so special.
And so stay with us because our day is just getting started.
Welcome to Bandra Diaries.
And what is Bandra without a little bit of sweetness? Our first stop here is at Annapurna. This place has been winning hearts ever since.
If there's one thing Annapurna is famous for, it's freshness. It's jalebis, laddus, rasgullas. Everything you taste here feels like it's come straight from home. Quality is their hallmark. Customer satisfaction, their motto. What's the fastest selling item here?
We got many new items
All
such
right.
as the season specialties, the green peas gogras. We have the Jaipuri kanda kachoris.
And what sells the most? What is
It's
like the
specialty.
customer favorite?
As the specialty is the cheese palak samosas.
Oh wow.
Okay.
They are totally with the pure Amul cheese and spinach. And many options like in doklas, khandvis.
So you keep replenishing these throughout the day.
So yeah, we have our own kitchen. So we are
Oh.
here since last 44 years. We are right now the fourth generation
Wow.
trying our best.
So you all must be knowing everything about mithai and food stuff.
Oh yeah. Right now the season specialties of the gajar halwa.
Oh, you have fresh gajar
Yeah.
halwa.
So the main thing inside this that we have never added sugar. Pure organic good. That
Okay.
means the jaggery and purely desi ghee.
I mean, it's just good. So it's
Yeah,
really
it's not
nice.
even sugar.
And no sugar.
Yes,
That's
no
the best
sugar
part.
and no mawa, no khowa. It's made in pure Amul milk.
Oh.
So basically, if you're traveling, also you keep it for 4 days outside.
Oh, okay.
no
It
issues.
doesn't get spoiled.
Otherwise, if you are traveling, that mawa khowa gets dry. So it will be like a biscuit you're having.
Biscuit, yeah.
That's too much. Half. एक का ना आधा कर दीजिए.
Definitely you like it. You will ask for more. So please.
Thank you.
Yum.
We have started the fresh dudhi halwas also. Then we have the winter special. That all is the Gujarati stuff. Aradhya Pak, Gunda Pak. That are the proper traditional sweets of we Gujaratis. Dada used to make all the sweets.
Oh,
Then
तो
my
बद्दू
father
fresh
started-
रोज बने.
Every day, every day. Morning it was made, then again 12 o'clock it was made.
So it sells out so fast.
So it's baking according to the customers only.
Wow. Enjoying this. Yummy.
खत्म कर दिया.
I told you.
Thank you so
What
much.
else would you like?
Nothing.
No, thank you so much.
They have a fresh doklas coming.
No,
over.
no,
Jalebis.
nothing. I'm going to try this.
Which one?
The Shankar Para. Yeah, I want to try that.
Shakkar bara.
Yeah. No maida in
Since
this.
childhood we are having like sugar and maida, but it doesn't contain sugar. This contains glucose and totally made in milk.
Oh, okay.
The atta we make it, it is with whole wheat.
Okay.
and not maida. So if you're traveling also, minimum like you keep it for 30-35 days.
Oh, wow.
It won't get stale.
I like this. This is very tasty. And it's not sweet, it's just right.
We have many items in doklas.
Yes.
We have farfans like the bhajiyas we have. A khandvi is very special. If you go any other shops, you will have the blend khandvis. We have the chutney khandvis. Right now, my grandfather is totally like, he's a sugar patient.
Okay.
But he's 84 right now. 85, sorry.
wow.
So on his birthday only we are back here. After
Okay.
like 6 years we just shifted because of the redevelopment.
Redevelopment, yeah.
So when he entered also, so he was like, keep fresh. Matlab,
Huh.
there are many items left over in the night. You have some fresh items like samosas, vadas. But if you come after 8:39, there will be a proper queue for the ballet peoples and all the little
Everyone
bakers
to
How
give
nice.
it away. That's the best
small
thing.
food packets.
That's so
Okay,
nice.
that's so
So
good.
if
That's
you-
so
if
kind
you,
of
you guys are two coming there, I'll give according to you guys.
Okay.
There are many people coming according to in a group, so we'll give according in the group.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
It doesn't get waste.
Yes, it
After all,
shouldn't,
it's the
yeah.
food.
The place may not be fancy. It doesn't need to be. But the flavor and hospitality speaks for itself.
And yes, we are totally sugar charged for the rest of the day.
Thank you. Bye. See you. Bye. Bye, Roshni. And now the place we've been waiting for, Eddie's. This is where Bandra truly shines.
Good food, energetic vibes, and loads of laughter. Eddie's always seems like a celebration.
Is this your first visit to Eddie's?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you like the place?
What a good vibe.
Marriage or live-in?
Living before marriage.
We did that live-in before marriage, so
You all did that. You guys are married? Yeah.
Oh, congratulations. How long have you been married? Almost 3 years now. Okay, that's interesting. Always better to be sure.
Are you on dating app?
I was. I'm not at the moment. No.
No, never.
Oh, yeah.
What made you leave?
There are no better options over there. Everyone is for like playing it.
Pick up a card each and answer.
What's the weirdest thing that ever turned you on? I don't know. I think glasses turn me on. Glasses.
Alright.
Yeah.
would you rather kiss the person on the left or right leg? Sorry, bro. It's public.
Have you been attracted to the same gender? Never, never.
I really like the vibe and all. It has become my bar next door, sort of a.
So you live down the lane someplace.
Yeah, absolutely. Since then, I was associated with Dinesh, so just loved his hospitality and the kind of cuisines he recommended. So everything turned out really well.
What's your favorite cocktail over here?
Not a cocktail. Usually I'm more of a whiskey person. So yeah, it's always like a whiskey. Yeah, overall a great hospitality and experience that I have got this.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
We are signing off from Eddie's tonight. We'll be back with another slice of Bandra. New lanes, new flavors, new moments.
See you in the next episode only on Bandra Diary.